Hello, today I'm going to introduce you to Blendspace. Blendspace is an awesome web tool for educators. It is used to create what they call canvases to help present a lesson or an idea to your classroom. Here are some ways that they promote their product being used for. There's a lot of different ways you can use it. I'm sure teachers all over the country are using it in a wide variety of ways. I'm sure nobody uses it the same way. It's very user friendly. It's free. They also have free accounts for entire schools. And they do free training via webinars for anybody to sign up for. So that's pretty awesome how user friendly they are. It also can link with a Google account, Facebook, or you can create your own login. Mine is linked to my Google account. So I've done a couple already, but we're going to go through creating a new lesson just so you can see how it works. Just for the sake of the video, we're going to use anatomy as our subject. So we can search a variety of different sources: YouTube, Google, Flickr. You can use web pages, so you can insert links to things like Prezi. You can upload files from your computer. You can use Dropbox. You can use Google Drive. There are no limits to what you can add to a Blendspace. So let's search YouTube for some videos on anatomy. This one here is a good one. I've already seen it. It's using cadavers, so we won't actually watch it because some people might not enjoy that. But you can preview. If you're not sure what the video is, if you're not familiar with it, you can preview your videos and see if it's something you want to use or not. So that's helpful. And you see these little icons up here. Each type of media that you add will have a different picture that shows the student what kind of media they're dealing with. So this is a video. You can also add descriptions and or notes by clicking on this. So you can type, whatever, a description, so that students can read a little bit more about what it is if they want to take it piece by piece. You can also search Google. So we're going to take this picture right here and add it in. So you see the icon changes to a picture. Down here, you have the option to insert a website link or an embed code. So I found this site here that's pretty awesome for anatomy. So I'm just going to copy the link and add it in here instead of going through a search for it. And that way you can just drag and drop it in without having to go through a whole Google search list. So that's pretty cool. There are a lot of different things you can do with this tool. And it's pretty neat. So here's another, let's go with Grey's Anatomy. We'll add that in. Another link. This right here, you can add text, so you can just type straight into this, or you can add a quiz. So that's kind of cool. So we'll just make a little quick one. Where is the femur? We'll say in the arm, in the leg, and you select the correct answer. And you can add, oops, I didn't want to add that. I wanted to add a question. You can add questions. So, what does anterior mean? And then you can add your answers again. And you can add multiple answers. So it automatically gives you 2, but you can add as many as you need for your quiz. So we'll just call that good. Done. And you can label it. So if you wanted to use a variety of different quizzes throughout, you can do that as well, so that you can kind of check as you go and maybe have a big one at the end. So if we click on this, you can see, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. There we go. We can take the quiz, and it shows you got your results right. Oh, we're not going to do that. Wrong button. So it's kind of a neat little feedback tool for students as well. There are a number of different templates and themes that you can use with these. It also puts it into a slideshow format, so if you don't want to just click on them, you can go through them in a slideshow format. So this is, a familiar presentation for students because they're used to PowerPoints and things of that nature. So having it in a sort of a slide format lets them look at them individually instead of all at the same time. You can also sort them by subject. So this is science, and we'll say high school. So that allows other educators to do searches for subjects and grade levels, and then this one will pop up as being one, something that falls in that category. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick introduction to Blendspace. I am a huge fan of it. I am still learning it as well, but I think it is a great tool and definitely extremely useful for flipped classroom approaches, or just integrating a little bit of technology into the classroom for use with our 21st century students. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you find a way to use it with your students because I think it is a very, very valuable tool. Thank you for watching, and good luck in your pursuit of educating.